everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a more like natural colored makeup look, so some browns and pale colors and all that good stuff. And I already have all of the base on, so we're just gonna go right into doing the eyes. I'm using the Tarte Natural palette for this, High Performance Naturals. This is what this palette looks like. I've got so many pretty colors. Alrighty, so first I'm gonna take a big-ish blending brush and we're gonna go in with this brown here. It's a beautiful Diggis. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, put it in the crease. Blend this up a little bit more. That was in my other eyeball. Alright, now I'm going to take a different little fluffy blending brush and I'm just gonna do a tiny teensy bit of this dark color here in the corner of the crease, and it's called Style, just right below the color we just put in. I'm just gonna blend this side a little higher up. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a more flat brush and we're going to put Pop Art Princess, which is in this color here. It's very sparkly and pretty. We're gonna put that on the lid. Super, super sparkly. Alright, I'm gonna take this pixel color here, this like lighter color, it's like more white sparkly. I'm gonna put that up against the brow. So it's kind of acting like a highlight in that top corner. And then now I'm gonna take this color here, Glaze. And I'm gonna just put that on the inner corner. So just like right by the tear duct a little bit. So you a little sparkle. Okay, now I'm just going to take a little bit of that first color and kind of just blend this all out. Right. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that one. Right, now I'm going to go in with liquid eyeliner. Actually, hold on. I'm actually going to take the first color and go under the lashes a little bit. Just a tiny bit. There we go. Just a tiny bit more dramatic. Now we'll go in with our black eyeliner real quick. Right, the wings are on. I'm just gonna take this brush, make sure this is all blended and touching in this corner here, like I always do. Alright, now we're going to take our mascara. Alrighty, next I'm going to be taking some lip liner. I'm doing the NYX Brown Bun, so it's a little bit darker than what I normally use. I'm just gonna go on these babies. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my NYX Lingerie lip color in Honeymoon. I'm pretty sure I've never used this, so let's do it. Alrighty, then we're gonna take the lip brush and carve out our lips a little bit more. Okay, the lips are on and they look nice and intense. Next, we're going to glue on our eyelashes. One eyelash on to the next one. My cat is on some next level. She's playing with paper, jumping all over the floor. Alright, now we're gonna spray some rose hibiscus coconut water on our face. Alright, so this is the final look, which is nice and a little more natural, makes your eyes pop super intensely and all that good prettiness, and it's not too dramatic, but it's just a good amount of dramatic, I think, where it's like, oh hey girl, but you're not like, what the heck? And then these lips are nice and pretty. I think they go very nicely together. You can always do a lighter lip too, which would also look great, or you could do like a crazy colored lip because this is a more neutral eye look, but I wanted to go more just like neutral with neutral. And yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I gotta go do a fashion show soon, so